Hello, hello. Good morning. Can you guys hear me? 1, 2, 3, testing. Anyone? Anyone? All right. Okay. Good morning, everybody. So I didn't put the trading plan on Discord today because every day now, you guys will be able to see the trading plan here on this icon right here. All right. You see here, this little page. You click here, and then you have the trading plan here. All right. So you click there, and then you can make bigger to be possible for you to read. All right, and you can also download. Okay, guys. So on the trading plan today, you guys take a look. But listen, we are as bullish as it can be. All right, it was a crazy night. The market was going up all the way. Just let me share this screen with you guys because then you're gonna have a better view of what really happened this night. That was this night on ES. We moved it, wow, a lot of points, almost 80 points or something like that, right? By the time I was building, writing the trading plan, we were on 5,500, but looks like now we are on 5,510. It doesn't move 10 points in the morning, and I already moved 10 points at this morning. All right, so we are as bullish as it can be, guys. Now my concern is when you have a big movement like this during the night, um, we might have a correction or we might have a consolidation. Okay, so in that case, that we are very strong and the whole market is expecting good news on the Fed interest rate announcement today, I think we're going to be holding bullish until the Fed. Okay, so this is what's going to happen. At 9:45, we're going to have Chicago PMI. PMI is a kind of a previous from the payroll. If Chicago PMI comes good, we probably are going to be consolidating or even going a little bit more higher here. All right, little bit more to the upside. Okay, if the PMI is good, we're gonna consolidate here on the top above 5,500 or even go higher. If the PMI is bad, I don't think it's going to bring the market down because we are expecting good Fed interest rates announcement today. So if the PMI is bad, we might be consolidating below 5,500, all right? So what I am expecting, and that's me, that's Erick, all right? It's my feeling. We might have a consolidation until 2 p.m. Okay, it's not, but I don't think it's going to be a consolidation of 10 points. That could be a consolidation around 30 points and something like that. 30 points is a lot for ES. But if you put together the whole day, what's happening the whole day, 30 points is not that much, all right? 30 points is from here, let me see, from here to here. That's the 30 points. That's the consolidation I am expecting today until font. All right. Now listen. If Fed announces interest rate cut on September, this market might be exploding, breaking all the levels, breaking everything, and going to the sky. All right. So, guys, what we have here on levels, is we are going to open above this bar. As you guys could see, 5,500 was the main level during the whole week, Monday, Tuesday, and today we are open this week every day with 5,500 with a lot of interest, right? So this bar is here since like yesterday, okay? But we already broke it. Now might be like a 5,500 could be turning into a support. Okay, this is what happens, especially because we already reached 5,510, I guess. All right. So What might be happening here now is when the market open, I don't know if nobody knows if we're gonna have a big push to the upside, reaching the 20 or 25, which is the first target here, or we're gonna have a bounce, a pullback to 5,500, and then a bounce back up, right? I think that it's possible that we have a bounce on 5,500. We go back to 5,500 and bounce back up, okay? I don't think we're gonna have a big movement on the opening because at 9:45 we have the PMI, all right? So let's see what's gonna happen. Maybe some movement towards the VWAP could be okay, but the VWAP is too far. Anyways, let's keep our eyes open to what's going to happen. My bias today is bullish, but we should be consolidating above 5,500 if the PMI is good. Now, levels. 5,500 is already broken, should be become a support now, all right? If we don't hold 5,500, if we lose 5,500, and you see VIX start going back up, yields going back up, the companies going down, and we start trading on the red DDF. So I need the VIX up, yields up, companies going down, DDF on the red, and we breaking 5,500. We might be taking a trade towards 5,480, right? Especially because 80 here, as you guys can see, 80 is the flip area, all right? On total absolute number exposure, you can see that 80 is the flip area. Now, if we break 5,500, red PDF, everything like going down, 80 could be the target and a bounce, because this is when gamma becomes negative. Probably is gonna hold here. If we break 80, 65 is the target, and then let's see what's going to happen. I don't think this is going to happen before Fed. It's a big drop. I don't think it's going to happen before Fed, unless PMI is really, really bad. Okay. All right. Now going back there. Now, if we open and keep going up, or have a bounce on 5,500, we test 5,500 and keep going up, 25 is the first target, all right? 35 is the second target, and 50 is the third target. And in a regular market, in regular trading days, that could be the maximum of the day. But today, 50 is already like a super strat, it's super high for the price that we are opening. Actually, 5,500 for today should be the maximum of the day. So we are actually breaking all the levels already before the opening. Okay, guys. Now just take a look back here. Here, there you go. 5,000, it's here. We are on 5,010. We are around 5,010, all right? Next target, 5,025. If we keep going up, we probably are going to bounce or consolidate 5,025. If we break this level, 35 is the biggest part of the day here on gamma exposure. So should be the maximum of the day before Fed. Listen, if we keep going up, if we are really bull, this one should be the maximum of the day before Fed, okay? Then the Fed's gonna come and it's gonna say something good. We're gonna break the 50 and probably we're gonna go all the way to 70. And nobody knows, like if the market gets crazy, 600 should be I would say that we're gonna close on the maximum of the day. It's just a matter of time to keep going up, 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 up until the market closes. So here should be the maximum. If we have PMI good PMI, we should hold around at this level to wait for Fed. If Fed is good, then 50 and 70, and God knows where we're going to stop. Okay. Now, if PMI is bad, probably we're going to be consolidating between 480 and 500 to wait for Fed. Now, if PMI is bad and Fed it doesn't cut does announce the rate cut on September, or comes with like a bad stuff, like a hawkish, like the people like to say, then my friends, like 50 could be the line in the sand. We can go all the way down. We can give back everything that we gained this during the night. All right, okay. So again, keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open for VIX. I think VIX is still gonna go down. I have the bullish bias. But I'm not gonna trade the bullish bias. I'm gonna trade what's happening here during the day. Okay. So VIX going down, yields going down, blue DDF, we're gonna go up, and probably we're gonna stop on 35. All right, here, 35. If something change and then VIX starts coming back up, yields up, red DDF, then we probably are going to go to 5,480, which is the flip area, and consolidate between 80 and 500 until the Fed to see what's going to happen. All right, guys. So it's all right in here. You guys can take a look at the trading plan and understand better what I'm saying. If you see that a PMI is not moving, like you should not trade until PMI. Wait for the PMI to trade. All right. Now, if you see that PMI is not moving much and we are consolidating, consolidation is bad for all signals, is bad for everything. My advice for you, if you see that PMI didn't move much the market, we are consolidating in a range, don't trade until Fed, right? Consolidation is bad for all the signals, is bad for all the strategies, is bad. Consolidation means market it's not moving. So you will have the risk to have sell signals on the bottom, buy signals on the top, and a lot of stops. Is so, man, like you don't need to trade, right? Knowing when not to trade is also being a good trader. Okay, guys. So if the PMI doesn't move the market and you see that we are in a consolidation area, like creating a box, right? So not breaking any levels, wait for the Fed to start trading. Okay, guys, or just leave the computer and come back at 2. All right, that's the best call if you see that PMI is not moving that much the market. Right, 2 minutes to open. I hope you guys have an amazing trade. Gabriela, reload your page, reload your indicator. It's gonna show the trading plan. And if you guys have any questions, any problems, let me know on the Discord. We will be with you guys on Discord. All right, guys. Have an amazing day. We talk later. Bye bye.